How soon do we forget how we felt? Dealing with emotions and never let play with the hand that we
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know if you guys can see me well. The camera is a bit farther from where I'm seated. And this Saturday. Kuna bo, oh my god, kuna bo, kuna joto. It's just boring. It's such a boring day. I'm actually doing laundry right now. As you see me like this, I'm just doing laundry. So I decided let me unbox some of one pack a few things with you guys. Yeah. I bet you guys can see me clearly right now. So I want to unbox. You can unbox. It's one pack. It's the Zikoko box, so it's unpacking. I want to unpack some things that I got. One, I got it for myself. And this other one, it's a gift from Zaza's grandparents. We came to visit her this previous week, and we brought her some cute clothes. I want to check them out. We have this zimeandikwa 6 to 9 months. Easy hata Versailles. And she's like 4 months now. Let's put this aside. So she has this cute rompers. They're from a shop called Mark's Baby Shop. Sorry to Village Market, Karen. Okay, we have this one. So cute, but it's big. So big. Here is it Zaza side. I'll just ntaziweka tu, she'll grow into them. So because she's growing so fast. Imagine every week I give out like Zara's clothes. Like last week and the other week I gave out some of her clothes because they're small. Like hata kivaa na feel kama namfinya, and you know right now she's kicking too much. So she needs like the allowance to kick and quite free. She needs that freedom. So I gave out the clothes to someone who needed them more than I do right now. There's also this one. I love the flowers. Oh, it's nice. It's cute. It's so pretty. There's this one. There's this one. I think they're so cute, but ni kubwa hizi za mtoto wa 1 year. Hata I think hizi ni za mtoto wa 1 year. Normally we buy Zara's clothes from Amazon and Shein, and some of them are from Victoria Kids and Lila Baby, but sasa hizo ni zenye like before the dad came, we had to buy like a few clothes here. So right now I gave all of them out. I really I kept one romper for her and alivaa like siku alizaliwa. I kept that romper for her as a souvenir ama as a what. I want to create like an album with all her pictures, and then I want to keep that one romper for her because nilitoka nayo musi like siku alizaliwa, hiyo ndo nguo alivalishwa. So I want to keep it for her. Akikuwa mkubwa ziangalie. Anyway, we have this one. It also has some cute flowers on it. We have this cute trouser. This one can fit her right now. It's written juniors. Okay, this one can fit her. Cut before washing and wearing. I'm gonna remove this. This one she can wear it right now. Nikadozo vizuri. Is this a dress or a top? I think it's a top. Can she pair it with this? No. This one is so cute, guys. Oh my god, it's so cute. You see that? Isn't it Zaza? Because she's that tiny. I think they mixed like was in a Zamtosha Sai. There's a future. This one, it's a trouser. I also wanted to buy her some shorts. There's also another trouser. Kutuna flowers. Actually, most of these clothes is kutuna flowers. finally we have this cute dress, a white dress. What's up? That's all. Buon appetito. That's all, guys. I really like the clothes, especially the dresses. Zara has so many rompers and trousers. And Laura nakapoa na dresses, so that's why napenda hizo dresses nikapoa. And then, don't mind this. This is an old dera. Is it a dera? Nilisikia Waswahili huko TikTok wakisema watu wa Nairobi ni washamba, zinaitwa dirak, sio dera, ni dirak. So this is an old dera. I was gifted by a friend of mine called Habiba kitambo when I was in high school. So I want to try and do like a DIY, just for fun. I want to try and do like a DIY. I try and make a backless dera out of this dera. So I'm gonna show you guys. Let's see if it works out. If it will work out, it's good. You know me, I did some science when I was in high school. So najua kushona vizuri sana. If I had a machine, I would be like, if I see like something online that I like, ningekuwa najidesignia na shona. Haya. We got a wig, a new wig. It's been I haven't bought myself a new wig since 2025 or 2024 on my birthday. That's the last time I bought myself a new wig. Is it? No, I bought another wig like this, like a watercolor. So we have this human hair, water wave. It's a full frontal, 13 by 4. It's like a highlighted wig. It's 30 inches, yeah. Nimesema inches. Na sikuzi mshema hapa guys. 30 inches. Najua inakaa kidogo, but ikichanwa it's new, that's why. But ukichanwa ina puff out ama tutahitaji. I wish I had like my hair was down ningepima. Kama niende nipime alafu nikuja naonyesha. So I bought this wig from a friend of mine called Onyinye, X-Onyinye. You can check out X-Onyinye on Instagram. She has some very, very nice human hair wigs and semi-blended, human blended and human. She has some very, very nice wigs and they are very, very affordable. You go check out her page and patronize. Watch out, let me go put my hair down and then I come show you guys how the wig looks like, okay? So guys, my boyfriend is laughing at me. Tunangana kuvaka wig. Anyways, I don't know if I like it. Maybe ikikuwa combed out itakuwa mingi. Mimi napenda nywele kubwa, like the color is good, it's okay. Ikichanwa maybe itakuwa mingi, right? Because inafaa kutoanishwa. Yeah. So, I don't know if I should do like a middle part or a side part. Mimi napenda side part. Like most of my wigs nafanya side part. I think I should do a side part. Right? 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 Yeah. You guys don't have to tell me anyway. I'm gonna do a side part. Anyways, another thing, I don't know if you guys can see, like I've removed my eyelashes, my fake eyelashes, my lash extensions. Let me just call them that. Simply because zinaning'oa eyelashes. Like kama sahi niko kipara hapa kwa macho. Sina eyelashes. Kwanza hapa mbele hakuna, huku mwisho ndo ziko peke yake. And I normally say I'm gonna take a break and then I end up getting lash extensions. I'm gonna take a short break, like maybe let's say for a month, because lashes zangu zinakuwa refu zurudi haraka. So I'm gonna take a break for 1 month and then I'm gonna go back to getting lash extensions. But I don't think I can stay without them. I can, but I don't want to stay without them. Yeah. Right now I know I look bald. I look like a recovering drug addict. For the week I'm getting hey, I don't know. Aki niko lazy guys. Hata mimi mwenyewe nishazoea kukaa kwa nyumba. I don't even want to go outside, but Milk. So on Monday, I'm supposed to go get Zara's birth certificate. Ilitoka kitambo around January na sijawahi endea. So I'm supposed to go get the birth certificate. Na sisi toka nje nikikashaki. Nywele yangu simuona vile inakaa. Yeah, so my sister is here. I'm gonna try and use a box and shoot the lines. Akikataa, I'll just go outside. I get my hair straightened and shoot the lines kama sita because I want to get someone to come and install this wig tomorrow. I don't want to do it by myself. There's a cut less, ni cut vibaya. Though I know how to do it, I just don't want to do it. I just don't want to do it. So I'm gonna get someone to come install this wig tomorrow for me. Hapa kwa nyumba because sitaki kutoka nje. Sitaki kwenda kupanga malight au. Yeah, so yeah, that's all. That's all for today. Let me go get something to eat. I continue doing my laundry. I was washing my clothes and then I want to dry them fast. Alafu nitoe niweke the second batch, which is Zaira's clothes. Kuna nguo mingi sana. Last week I didn't wash the clothes. I want to nikasema tu nitaziosha hii wiki ikiisha, like on Saturday, which is today, so I'm washing them. That's pretty much it, guys, for today. Mchana wa bon tanza kuwapeleka out hata mtakuwa tu mna beba tu charger na sweater na peleka out in what kila mtu hapo. We'll start traveling soon and going outside the house, but for now just stay with me indoors. Najua pia nyinyi hampendi kwenda nje kama mimi, alafu kuna jua sasa mnaenda nje kudu, tunaenda nje kudu, tukaeni kwa nyumba. For now, see you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 3. Baby, just have to ruin all my videos like well, we're always having a bonnet on. I'm gonna fix my hair soon. So today is day 3 of my weekly vlog, and on day 3 I've been telling you guys I'm gonna make my hair. Nimeona tu niachane nayo sasa because I keep saying natoka na sitoki. My hairstylist ameniambia she's going to be available on Thursday. I just want her to do like the wig lines, and then on the same Thursday nataka ni ekwe wig. Anyways, the next time I come on here I'm gonna be looking hote. For those who know, they know. Yes. So today I'm doing a weekly restock. Like the weekly restock inakwanga like we just normally restock the things that zenye zimeisha. Yeah, monthly restock is like a major shopping. Weekly restock ni the small things in zimeisha. So yeah, and then we're gonna cook. I'm not the one who's cooking today. My man is cooking today, so we're gonna cook together. So I'm gonna show you guys what he's going to cook for dinner. Can't wait to start like working on my weight loss journey. Right now I just can't because I'm still breastfeeding. So this video is not about breastfeeding. Let's go do the restock. So I'll show you guys real quick how it looks like in here, my situation right now. Yeah, this is all I have right now. That's my fridge. I need to restock the eggs because we eat eggs every single day. Some veggies. We had ordered fruits, but hawase wajeka fruits zote, wameka only the oranges ama sijui ni pixies. So yeah, this is all the girl got in here. I was gonna restock niweke maziwa, but nimeona niko na maziwa bado. Sodas which I don't drink. I normally like having the Sprite in my house because napenda kutengenezea wageni wangu mocktails wakikuja. My freezer is empty. Like, okay, there's ice cream, lots of ice cream. There's lots of mboga za kienyeji and kamande ondengu, some chicken bone soup, hot dogs. Na huku chini tu ni ma veggies, mapilipili, ma veggies, more veggies and some ginger, and this breast milk which I want to trash because zimeka hapo sana. My baby alikata chupa, so yeah, that's all. My cleaner was here today. Amefanya usafi. Actually, that lady cleans this out so well. Hata naogopa kufanya kitu akishatoka juu. Anaitengeneza vizuri. So that's the chicken we're about to make for dinner. My baby is making the chicken, not me. I just want to wash the veggies. Okay. And we also needed the honey mustard because yesterday he made me hot dogs for dinner and there was no mustard. Nikatry kuweka mayo but haikukuwa hata na taste. Hizi maziwa ndo zanifanya hata ninone labda. I drink the flavored milk way too much and I'm not the one who buys them. I don't know why my man keeps buying me some unhealthy things nikule. He buys both healthy and unhealthy stuff for me. Anataka tu ninone yake. Ndo msinikatie, si ndio? Yeah. The milk. Nilimkataza, nilimwambia sifa na buy mingi. The time alibuy zikafika huku mbele. Soda ilikuwa imejaa mpaka imefika huku mbele. Kamwambia, instead of helping me to stop eating lots of junk food, you're supporting my bad behaviors. So, let's go wash the veggies now. Hii nitaweka tu hapa juu. Mwani yake napaswa kwa hapa. Kwa sawa hapo. Let's wash the veggies. Feeling like a tripod. I want to buy that magneting like suction, whatever. It's called a suction holder. Unaweza stick hapa juu kwa video zako. So, we're going to start with the eggs. So normally I'll just empty this one's nieke hapo kando for fridge. Is it because ishe? Normally we buy the 30 whatever ile tray na bebanga 30 eggs, but to aziko tunaangalia kwa glovo tujapata, so we decided to buy 15. Then there's zimebaki. Now we put the fresh ones. We do the same thing with milk. When we restock, like when we buy more milk, tunatoa zenye ziko hapo, we put them huku mbele. So tutacha zikauke ama maji toke, and then I'm gonna pack them I'm gonna pack the carrots separately. The oranges I'll put them in the fruit box. Alafu the carrots na bell peppers itaziweka kwa ziploc bags separately. So I'm gonna wash this coriander. I put it in a ziploc bag as well. I don't know how you guys store coriander kwa fridge ndo isiharibike. Imenishinda manze. But I saw like there's this two tins where you put your coriander inside na zina last for long. I'm gonna look for them. I'll go to China Square Panda Mart. Nisitafuta mpaka nipate. So we're done. Let's boil some water. Wash some turtle.
Let's say it one more time. Dog. Look. This.
I could be the twist that make you stop, the icing on your cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my heart, and we could find some space.
My baby has already marinated the chicken.
Till you're missing pieces.
Nikiwa huko na mtoto amesileka kamarinate. So I don't know how long he's gonna wait.
Hard to me that
Chewy. Me, I'm just going with the flow. Yeah.
easy to fall in love. So come
See our ugly pan there. We need some new pots. Inakaa yummy. Mimi ndo nafanya tasty.
Saturday night and the rest
Did you put parsley?
one with a heart will agree.
No, you did not.
It's so easy.
Tulizenyeje. Zaya, mommy's coming. Unifunge tu hii slide though, ama my man is a very, very, very good cook. I'm enjoying sana. Wacha nimwangalie nikuje labda hapo chini. Papa is doing. See what Papa is doing? Papa is making chicken. I must stop touching the phone. Mm. It's raining outside. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining outside. Let me take you back to the house. Making fries. Are you making fries?
Fries? No, funny.
I feel like having fries. With the chicken. There you go, mommy. And if you guys can see Zara's reflection, please stop doing that. Ah, mama. Let's see your little hands. Let's see your little hands. She wants to grab the phone. Mommy. Mommy. Oh, mommy. Imeenda kidogo karibu hivyo. Karibu malize kupika. Wana complain nimebaiwa maziwa na ndio mimi. Nasikia njaa. Chani kunywa tu maziwa twangu. Anezonja. This vlog is gonna be so long. Our chicken is ready. Ooh, looks so nice. Nataka kuweka rice nikule sai.